Hey guys, one of the parts of keeping a gun shooting accurate, we all want to go shoot and shoot and shoot and shoot, and that's where all the fun's at when you're out there shooting. But as time goes on, you keep on shooting, and then all of a sudden you're not shooting near as accurate as you used to. And then you go on and you get through and you put that gun up, and then next year you get it back out, or a month later, and it's not shooting near as accurate. And everybody wants to start jacking with their scopes and saying, you know, my scope's off. Problem is, a lot of times it's all the residue and build up in the barrel. You know, from the gunpowder that we're shooting through there, the brass that's going through there, the whole thing is we need to clean it. You got to clean that thing. So what I've done is I've got a snake ran through here, is what it's called. And right here's the bristle part of it, the brass part of it. It's going to clean all that out of that barrel. And this is a 308. This is the gun that I shoot here. So what I do is take our bore and solvent cleaner there, and I dip that in there right there. And I always start from the chamber going out the barrel. So once I got that on there, then you just pull that through there. I'll stick it up here and you can see it as it goes through. And as you pull it, it's just cleaning that. Now right there, the brush part just come through. The rest of that's a dry cloth that's running through there. So it's cleaning and drying everything that comes out of there. Now we have a clean barrel completely. You know, it's good and clean, ready to go. Don't stick your head up there and look down the barrel. That's always a no-no. But it's real simple products. These little tips right here will make you shoot a lot better. It's going to make that gun a lot more accurate. The bore solvent helps clean everything, and Lucas Oil works.